Yes, good evening, students. After a long period, the last class, how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. The profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal account. It is prepared at the end of the financial period in the partnership form for the purpose of showing the profit of the firm allocated for the various purpose like partner's salary, partner's commission, interest on capital, and the remaining profit or loss of the firm should be distributed among the partners according to their rights. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ನನಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ದಿವಸ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಂದು 2 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಲಿಂಕಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ದ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. The A and B are partners. They are agreed to admit one more partner into the partnership firm, Mr. C. Listen here, all of you. The A and B are partners. For example, they are agreed to share the profit according to 3:2. For the purpose of raising of the capital of the business or improve the management efficiency of the business, they decided to admit one more partner into the partnership firm. This partner is called the incoming partner. The process is called the admission of a partner. It is a one chapter after the completion of this chapter. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ the A and B are agreed to admit one more partner, Mr. C, for 1/6 share of profit for the purpose of increasing the capital capacity of the business or managerial ability of the business. Okay, at the time of admission, the whole partners are guaranteed or promised or assured to the incoming partner for a minimum profit of the partner. For example, the whole partners are promised, for example, rupees 8,000 rupees profit at the end of the year. It is a guaranteed profit promised by the old partner to the new partner. Whether according to the distribution of profit, the 8,000 profit is there or not, what is the deficiency profit that should be paid by the whole partners. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವೀಗ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಟೇಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, that heading ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟು ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್. Under that meaning, sometime a partner is admitted into the firm with a guarantee of certain minimum amount of profit. Full stop. Such guarantee such guarantee in the brocade assured, close the brocade, may be given by all the whole partners in a certain ratio or by any of the whole partner individually to the new partner. Okay, that is the meaning for guarantee of the profit to a partner. For that, take down the example, take down the problem for this. Right? A, B and C. A, B and C are partners. They don't sharing in the ratio of 3:2:1. A, B and C are partners sharing the profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. Full stop. C's share is C's share of profit rupees 8,000 guaranteed by A and B. Full stop. The profit of the firm at the end on 31st March 2019 was rupees 36,000. The next line, prepare profit and loss appropriation account and show the distribution of profit to the partners. Yes. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ the summary of the problem. The A, B and C are partners. They are agreed to share the profit according to 3:2:1. At the time of admission of C into the existing partnership firm, the A and B partners are promised or assured the minimum amount of profit of rupees 8,000 at the end of the year. Right? At the end of the year, the profit of the firm rupees 36,000. Right? The question is, prepare profit and loss appropriation account to show the distribution of profit to the partners. Right? Now we have prepared the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019. You know how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Right? It is a debit side. Particulars in rupees and paise. The credit side also particulars and rupees and paise. Right? At the end of the year, the balance of profit or net profit rupees 36,000. Rupees 36,000. Okay. There is no other expenses or incomes are not given in the problem according to the partnership deed. In the last class, the profit and loss appropriation account was prepared. The profit of the firm is appropriated for the various purpose. The profit of the firm out to allocate for the partner's salary, partner's commission, interest on capital according to the partnership deed. See the problem. In this problem, there is no such expenses in the problem. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಂಚಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ C's share of profit. Right. Okay. The next, according to agreement, profit to C equal to rupees 8,000. It is a guaranteed amount of profit or promised by the old partners to new partner. The 8,000 is the minimum profit assured by the old partner to the new partner. Right? Next, according to actual profit C, the total profit is 36,000. For 1/6, the profit comes to rupees 6,000. The 2,000 is the shortage. Any doubt? It is called deficiency of profit. Deficiency of profit. Right? The 2,000 is the deficiency of profit It is paid by A and B in the ratio of 3:2. The 2000 rupees are like this. You take A 2000 into 3 by 5 equal to rupees 1200. B 2000 into 2 by 5 800 rupees. It comes to rupees 2000. Right. Come to the profit and loss appropriation account. The profit distribution to the partners capital account. First one, A's capital account. A's capital account according to the ratio 36,000 into 3 by 6 18,000 rupees. The total profit of the firm rupees 36,000 according to ratio. The A's share of profit is 3 by 6. According to that, out of 36,000, A's share of profit comes to rupees 18,000. But the deficiency of the profit is deducted from this. Less deficiency profit paid to C, rupees 1200. So remaining amount is 16,800 goes to A. Same way, B's capital account same 36,000 into 2 by 6, the profit comes to rupees 12,000. From this, the deficiency profit should be less. Rupees 800. So, the balance comes to rupees 10,200. Then next, come to the C. C's capital account according to 1 by 6, the 6,000 rupees. To this had A's share rupees 1,200 had B's share rupees 800. Total comes to rupees 8,000. Then close the profit and loss appropriation account. The profit and loss appropriation account total comes to rupees 36,000. Yes, ಬೇಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.